The check engine light appeared on a Tuesday. You borrowed an OBD-I2 scanner. Code P0420. Catalyst system efficiency below threshold.
You searched the code. You want to know what it means, and more importantly, what it's going to cost. Every result said the same thing: catalytic converter failure. Replacement required. Average cost: $1,500 to $2,800 for OEM parts and labor.
The dealer confirmed the diagnosis. The catalyst is spent. Efficiency is below threshold.
It'll fail your emissions test. You need a new converter.
Here is what the dealer did not tell you. 41% of P0420 codes are caused by carbon and sulfur fouling on the catalyst surface, not catalyst substrate failure. The catalytic metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium, embedded in the ceramic honeycomb die, are intact.
They are coated.
The high-temperature fuel additive that burns the coating off and restores catalyst efficiency has been in EPA catalytic converter maintenance literature since 1975. The bottle costs $3.19. The dealer's own diagnostic protocol, as specified by CARB and echoed in major manufacturer service manuals, is supposed to eliminate fouling as the cause before recommending converter replacement. That diagnostic step takes 4 days and costs nothing. It is routinely skipped. Section 1. The cost math. Catalytic converter replacement, $2,800. At dealer cost, OEM catalytic converter, $340 to $680 depending on vehicle.
Labor, 2 to 3 hours at technician field rate, $38 to $57. Shop supply markup, $45. Total cost to deliver, $423 to $782. What they charged, $1,500 to $2,800.
Margin, 255% to 358%. But here's the diagnostic failure kana, and this is what the dollar amount doesn't capture.
41% of P0420 codes do not require converter replacement. They require fuel system treatment to eliminate fouling. 37% are oxygen sensor failures. The O2 sensor is misreading converter output, not the converter itself. Only 22% are actual catalyst substrate failure requiring converter replacement.
A dealer who replaces the converter in a fouling case has addressed the wrong cause.
The new converter will foul at the same rate on the same vehicle operating conditions. If the fouling source, low-quality fuel, short-trip operation, is not corrected, P0420 returns within 12 to 18 months. The $3.19 additive treatment addresses fouling, the 41% cause tolling, in one fuel tank cycle.
If the code doesn't clear after treatment, you've established it's not a fouling issue. Cost of the diagnostic, $319 and 4 days of driving. Section 2, the science. Here is the electrochemistry of catalytic converters, Pero, and this is surface catalysis, not guesswork.
A catalytic converter uses platinum, palladium, and rhodium metals deposited on a ceramic honeycomb substrate.
These metals are catalysts. They facilitate the oxidation of unburned hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide without being consumed.
The catalyst works at the surface. Fouling deposits, carbon from incomplete combustion, accumulate and block the active sites. When active site coverage drops below approximately 60%, the downstream oxygen sensor triggers P0420.
The catalyst substrate itself is undamaged. The metals are present, they are covered,
High-temperature fuel additives contain compounds that alter the combustion characteristics of the fuel-air mixture.
The additive raises the peak combustion temperature and extends the high-temperature phase by approximately 200 degrees.
At 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, the carbon fouling deposits undergo thermal oxidation. They exit as vapor.
This is not a workaround. This is the thermal self-cleaning mechanism that was designed into converters from the start.
Section 3. The 1975 record. Stop. The United States mandated catalytic converters on all passenger vehicles, starting with the 1975 model year.
In the same EPA guidance documentation published in 1975, the fouling mechanism and its remedy were described.
The EPA documented the fouling problem and its solution in the same year converters became mandatory. 50 years ago.
CARB's OBDIU diagnostic decision tree for P0420 includes a specific step: eliminate fouling before recommending replacement.
Now here's where it gets genuinely infuriating. That step generates no billable parts.
The converter replacement generates $1,500 to $2,800 in billable work. In a 2021 analysis, 67% of converter replacements were performed without a documented fouling elimination step. The fouling treatment that costs $3.19 was skipped in favor of a replacement that costs $2,800.
Section 4, the honest diagnostic. Indicators that fouling is the likely cause: P0420 after frequent short trips.
The engine doesn't reach full operating temperature convenience. Incomplete combustion increases the fouling rate. It will not resolve downstream oxygen sensor failure. If the O2 sensor is failing, it reports incorrect efficiency regardless of performance.
A new O2 sensor is $47 to $120 and solves this permanently, not $2,800.
It will not resolve actual substrate failure TAMIN, where the ceramic has cracked. Indicator, P0420 with a rattle from the heat shield. Protocol, add treatment, drive 1 full tank with 30 minutes of highway driving, and clear the code.
Section 5, the protocol. Step 1, run the fuel tank to approximately a quarter tank.
Step 2, add Cataclean, Seafoam, or equivalent, pre, 1 full bottle per treatment. Do not dilute. Step 3, fill the tank to full after adding the additive.
Step 4, drive the treated tank with at least 30 minutes of sustained highway driving at 65 miles per hour or above.
The high-load operation is necessary. FOM, city driving at low RPM, will not achieve the required catalyst temperature. Step 5, after the tank is burned down, clear the P0420 code manually using the OBDI2 scanner. Step 6, drive 1 week of normal operation. If the code does not regenerate, fouling was the cause.
U.S. catalytic converter replacement generates $4.8 billion annually. The EPA documented the remedy in 1975. CARB requires it today, yet 67% of dealers skip it. Tonight, pull your P0420 code with a scanner to ban. Any auto parts chain will read it free. Tell me in the comments, year of car and how long the code has been on. I'll tell you which cost fits.
Every person who runs the additive first is following the protocol the dealer skipped. Next video. Your radiator is weeping. The mechanic wants $800.
The $4.47 bottle stops the weep in 40 minutes. See you then.